Well, for those of you who have been waiting for quite a while for this to go on sale, here it is. It's the 2000 K1200LT Shark Bike. Now some of you are doubtless asking, why is it a shark bike? Well, when I bought this bike a year ago, it was all stickered up to make it look like it was a shark. The decals were in pretty poor condition, and I had to remove all of them, but I did add one sticker to forever make it the shark bike. Shark bike has 48,280 miles on it. It's got a clean title. You can see the condition of the rear tire there. It's still quite usable. Some of the services that have been done on this motorcycle include it has a fresh oil change. The final drive lube has been changed. The side stand was greased. The wheel sensors were cleaned. The brake and clutch fluid were flushed out as part of an annual service. The spark plugs were changed. The valves were checked. It has a new air and gas filter. The fuel lines were fully inspected inside the gas tank. The steering damper has been gone through and checked. The BMW coolant has been replaced. The shifting linkage has been fully serviced. The brake pads were inspected, and they show to be at about 50% condition right now. The BMW battery was checked, and that is sitting at 121% capacity. It has HID headlights, which are a very necessary upgrade. It has new HyperPro springs to improve the ride and handling. The front fender has been repainted because unfortunately some of the paint came off when I removed the decals. The front tire is brand new. It has new Spiegler brake lines, which are stainless steel braided brake lines. It has new mirrors. It has the Dan Muddyman armrests, which are very sought after for passenger comfort. It has a speed bleeder that was attached to the clutch line. A Z-Technic windshield. A new temperature sensor in the engine. It has LED dash lights. And it's been fully waxed and detailed. And it is absolutely ready to ride across the country or wherever it is that you want to ride it, if you are the winning bidder of this beautiful LT. The color, for those of you who are unfamiliar with their color, is called Basalt Gray or Basalt Grau. And this is the Icon model because it has painted out trim. Here, I'll start up the motorcycle. You can hear it running. All the noises are very normal. I was able to take this motorcycle out for about a 50-mile test ride, and everything works on it just like it should. The radio works, the cruise control, the brakes are good, the ABS system works. will make somebody an excellent LT to enjoy for years to come. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck on the auction. See you on the next one.